My name is Daniel Esabesto, BSIT2 from Blackboard. I'm documenter from Group 11, Go Local. Um, what makes your app unique compared to what other similar application? Um, our app stand out because it's faster, simpler, and more personalized, unlike other booking apps. Um, we have offer like real-time seats availability and instant booking confirmation. Real-time seats availability, it means you will see which seats are open right now, and booking confirmation means once you book, you get a quick message and saying it's done. And we have a live bus tracking, so users know exactly where their bus is. Um, Live bus tracking is lets you see where your bus is on the map in real time, so you'll know if it's nearby or delayed, like or already left. And we have a smart search and filters for routes, seat types, and prices. Smart search and filters help na you can quickly find the right bus by letting you choose your route and seat type and price range. No need to scroll through everything that you can see in the routes and seat types and prices. And we have secure online payments with easy refunds options. You can you can save you can safely pay online without worry, and if plans change, getting a refund and simple and hassle free. And it support via chat or call 24/7 anytime you need help. Day or night, you can message or call and someone's always there to assist with your bus booking. Multi-language support for local and regional users. That you can use the map in your own language, make it easier for both locals and travelers to book without confusion. Our app is not about for it's not about booking a ride. It's about giving passengers a smoother, safer, and smarter traveler experience. Wow.
Hi, I'm Isame Fernandez from Group 11, Go Local. I am sub-documenter. The question is, what makes your app unique compared to other similar applications? As a sub-documenter, Go Local focuses on the needs of everyday commuter by offering easy bus booking, where you can book through online. Unlike other generic booking platform, Go Local is specially tailored to meet the unique transit need of regional commuters. We prioritize real-time tracking where we can check kung saan na yung sasakyan na ating binook. And coverage of local roads often overlooked by larger platform. We're built for communities. Additional, Go Local emphasize users' convenience with features like cashless payment, riders reminder, and multi-language support to ensure accessibility for all the user of Go Local. Go Local is not just a booking platform, but also is trusted travel companion.
Julian Mercadag, BSIT2 Block 4.
Yes, the design of our app Go Local meets the user needs by focusing on accessibility, simplicity, and functionality specifically tailored to local bus commuters. One way we do this is through a user-friendly interface. We made sure the app is easy to use for everyone, whether it's a student, a worker, or someone who is not very familiar with technology. Layout is the button are easy to use and easy to understand, and the important features like searching for buses, checking schedules, and booking tickets are simple to find. We avoided clutter and used familiar icons so that users can do what they need to do without confusion. By keeping everything clear and simple, Go Local helps users save time and travel more comfortably. That's how our design meets real commuter needs. Real-time information. Another important feature of GoLocal is real-time information. This means the app shows live updates like the current bus location, estimated time of arrival, and if there is any delays. With this, users don't have to guess or keep waiting at the terminal without knowing when the bus will come. They can just check the app and see exactly where the bus is. Helps people plan better, save time, and avoid stress, especially during busy hours or bad weather. Real-time updates make the commuting experience more reliable and convenient, and that's a big reason why users can depend on GoLocal. Secure and flexible booking. GoLocal makes booking safe and easy. Users can choose how they want to pay, with digital wallets, cards, or even cash. All payments are secure, and the process are quick. Change plans. Users can cancel or rebook easily, giving them more control and flexibility. It helps make the whole travel experience smooth and worry-free. Feedback and support. GoLocal includes a built-in feedback and support feature to help users when they need it. If someone has a question, problem, or suggestion, they can easily send it through the app. This helps us quickly respond to issues and improve the app based on real user input. It also makes users feel heard and supported, which build trust, a better overall experience.